It's been so much fun learning the language.
Yes.
Let's learn Malay together.
What does a child really need? They need to be able to choose what they want to do, they need to explore, and they need to be able to take risks or begin to learn to take risks. They need to follow their creative paths, and they need to be inspired by the natural world around them. And to do this with friends is even better.
Pergi, pergi, go. Datang, datang, come. Masuk, masuk, enter. Keluar, keluar, exit. Jalan, jalan, walk. Lari, lari, run. Lompat, lompat, jump. Duduk, duduk, sit. Berdiri, berdiri, stand. Tidur, tidur, sleep. Bangun, bangun, wake up. Makan, makan, eat.
I'm able to impart my passion for the great outdoors and ignite passion within our young learners so they can get creative, they can be inspired, and hopefully in the future advocate for the natural world.
Minum, minum, drink. Masak, masak, cook. Mandi, mandi, bathe. Basuh, basuh, wash. Tulis, tulis, write. Baca, baca, read. Dengar, dengar, listen. Cakap, cakap, talk. Tanya, tanya, ask. Jawab, jawab, answer. Tolong, tolong, help. Ambek, ambek, take. Bagi, bagi, give. Buka, buka, open.
I'm not alone on this journey. I'm lucky enough to be accompanied by passionate teachers who are also accredited by the UK's Forest School Learning Initiative.
Tutup, tutup, close. Buang, buang, throw. Simpan, simpan, keep. Cari, cari, look for. Jumpa, jumpa, meet. Tengok, tengok, watch. Nampak, nampak, see. Pegang, pegang, hold. Letak, letak, put. Angkat, angkat, lift. Tolak, tolak, push. Tarik, tarik, pull. Pukul, pukul, hit. Sentuh, sentuh, touch. Senyum, senyum, smile.
And the best part about this is at Nexus International School Malaysia, we have our very own rainforest, which is just a hop and a skip and a small climb up into the forest.
On a bright and sun.
Gelap, gelap, laugh. Nangis, nangis, cry. Fikir, fikir, think. Ingat, ingat, remember. Lupa, lupa, forget. Percaya, percaya, believe. Tunggu, tunggu. Wait. Balik, balik, go home. Lepak, lepak, hang out. Belajar, belajar, study. Ajar, ajar, teach. Main, mine, play.
The learners are confident enough now to make their own decisions about what they want to do next. So quite often we provide the resources that they need and they drive the lesson. It's very child initiated.
I cut it a piece off.
Kerja, kerja, work. Rehat, rehat, rest. Pandu, pandu, drive. Naik, naik, get on. Turun, turun, get off. Hantar, hantar, send. Terima, terima, receive. Bayar, bayar, pay. Beli, beli, buy. Jual, jual, sell. Jalan-jalan, jalan-jalan, stroll. Ziarah, ziarah, visit. Jaga, jaga, take care. Kemas, kemas, tidy up.
The skills that they learn at Nexus Forest School are very closely aligned to our personal goals here at Nexus, which go right through into the IB eventually. So these are life skills, things like resilience, responsibility, collaboration. They're all promoted even more strongly in Forest School than in the classroom.
Potong, potong, cut. Jahit, jahit, sew. Lukis, lukis, draw. Type, type, type. Telephone, telephone, call. Tekan, tekan, press. Tarik nafas, tarik nafas. Breathe in. Lepas, lepas, release. Mula, mula, start. Berhenti, berhenti, stop. Sambung, sambung, continue. Cuba, cuba, try. Berjaya, berjaya, succeed. Gagal, gagal, fail. Susun, susun, arrange. Sapu, sapu, sweep. Lap, lap, wipe. Angkat tangan, angkat tangan, raise hand. Pusing, pusing, turn around.
With hands-on activities, right, they have developed a lot of creativity. We unleash their creativity, independence, they go around doing activities all by themselves, discovering new things. And what I've actually really seen with my learners is that their engagement, they have evolved into a more confident learner.
The connection with the wild is almost spiritual, and we make connections with that, and often it makes us feel good. And at Nexus International School, we're able to offer that to them. They're able to spend time and just be, to be a child and to experience nature the way that children should.